how you can fix this error that says your administrator has limited access to some areas of this app, virus and threat protection. So if you're trying to run any kind of virus threat protection but you got the following error, then I'm going to show you guys how you can exactly fix that. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the first step is to check your C drive. So go ahead and open up your PC, head over to your C drive, and once you get to your C drive, you are just going to click on Windows. And once you open up your Windows, go ahead and search for System32. So right here, click your System32 folder and go to Security and Health. So scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the folder for Security and Health. So click right here, Security Health, and if you have any kind of files or folders on this, you just delete everything on this folder and make it empty. So once you empty out the folder, you can move on to the next step. So the next step is to download an application. So just copy this link. You can pause the video to copy this link and then paste it on your web browser. So just pause the video for a sec and then go ahead and open up your web browser and paste the link on the address bar. Click on enter and it will directly take you to the download. So once you get this download option, you can just save it on your downloads and it will start downloading right away. Now what you can do is open up your downloads again, and right here you are going to click on this folder, which will open up your downloads folder. Now all you have to do is right click on this health checkup and then run it as administrator. Click on OK and the security health checkup will start initializing on your PC, and after that you can just reboot your PC once and you should be good to go. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.